I am Dr. K.K. Misra from R Classes. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel R Classes. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on principles of management, often also known as essentials or fundamentals of management. This is part 7. Now come to the question. Question number 1. Dash is concerned with developing the employees in the present job. A. Manpower planning. B. On the job training. C. Job description. D. None. Correct option is B. On the job training. 2. The supervisor motivate the subordinates in A. Consultative direction. B. Free rein direction. C. Autocratic. D. All. Correct option is B. Free rein direction. 3. Direction is known as dash. A. Command. B. Supervision. C. Communication. D. None. Correct option is B. Supervision. 4. Direction has the following functions dash. A. Supervision. B. Motivation. C. Communication. D. All. Here correct option is D. All. 5. Telling people what to do is A. Directing. B. Motivating. C. Supervising or supervision. D. None. Correct option is A. Direct. 6. Effective control depends on dash. A. Organization structure. B. Proper direction. C. Flow of communication. D. All. Here correct option is D. All. 7. Control is the function of dash. A. Top level management. B. Lower level management. C. All managers. D. None. Correct option is C. All managers. A. Effective control depends on dash. A. Organization structure. B. Proper direction. C. Flow of communication. D. All. Here correct option is D. All. 9. The requirement of effective control system is dash. A. Flexible. B. Objective. C. Suitable. D. All. Correct option is D. All. 10. CPM emphasis. A. Time. B. Cost. C. Cost as well as time. Or D. None. Correct option is C. Cost as well as time. 11. BEP is a function of A. Sales volume. B. Cost. C. Profit. D. Sales volume, cost and profit. Correct option is D. Sales volume, cost and profit. 12. The heart of management is dash. A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Controlling. D. Coordinating. Correct option is D. Coordinating. 13. The process of MBO starts with dash. A. Setting up of obligation. B. Patron plan. C. Review. D. All. Correct option is A. Setting up of obligation. 14. Management is a dash. A. Profession. B. Principles. C. Performance. D. None. Correct option is A. Profession. 15. Management is a dash activity. A. Single. B. Group. C. Both group and single. D. None. Correct option is B. Group. 16. Management applies to dash. A. Business unit. B. Family. C. Government. D. All. Correct option is D. All. 17. A manager needs 3 skills such as technical, human and dash. A. Conceptual. B. Process. C. Accuracy. D. None. Correct option is A. Conceptual. 18. Management is a wider concept than administration according to A. Oliver Shelton. B. Fayol. C. Harold Kuhns. D. William Newman. Correct option is B. Fayol. Henry Fayol. 19. MBO was developed by dash. A. Peter F. Drucker. B. Chester Bernard. C. Fayol. D. None. Correct option is A. Peter F. Drucker. 20. MBO offers the basis for assessing the correct option is B. Performance. Which of the following statements is true with reference to principles of management? The correct option is C. The principles of management are in the continuous process of evolution. 22. By profession, F.W. Taylor was a dash. Mechanical engineer. B. Mining engineer. C. Psychologist. D. Human resource officer. Correct option is A. Mechanical engineer. 23. The principles of pure science is considered to be dash in nature. A. Flexible. B. Rigid. C. Creative. D. None. Correct option is C. Creative. 24. Which of the following statements best defines the techniques of management? So correct option is B. It is a procedure which involves a series of steps to be taken. 25. The principles of management have been developed on the basis of A. Observation, B. Experimentation, C. Personal experiences of the manager, D. All. Here correct option is D. All of the above. 26. Which of the following statements is oblique are true with reference to principles of management? A. Principles are guidelines to action. B. The principles denote a cause and effect relationship. C. Principles help the manager to take decisions while performing various functions, management functions. D. All of the above. Correct option is D. All of the above. 27. The principles of management are intended to be applied to all types and sizes of organizations. This statement reflects that the principles of management are A. General guidelines, B. Flexible, C. Universally applicable, D. Mainly behavioral. Correct option is C. Universally applicable. 28. The principles of management do not provide ready-made straight-jacket solutions to all management problems because A. The real business situations are complex, B. The real business situations are dynamic, C. The principles act as general guidelines, D. All. So, the correct option is D. All of the above. 29. Principles of management can be modified by the manager when the situation demands. This statement implies that the principles of management are A. Rigid, B. Contingent, C. Flexible, D. Universally applicable. Correct option is C. Flexible. 30. The principles of management enhance the understanding of relationship between human and material resources for the achievement of organizational goals. Identify the feature of the principles of management being described in the given statement. So, the correct option is D. Mainly behavioral. So, this was about this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.